While most investors are still focused on Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, and Maharashtra, a silent green industrial revolution is taking shape in one unexpected state, Odisha. So there is steel, green power, e-supply chain, ports, and heavy manufacturing. So the real question is Odisha quietly becoming India's next industrial and green energy super state? So what changed for Odisha? There were three massive shifts that happened together. There was a huge green power capacity addition, there were aggressive industrial land acquisition, and there was port-linked export manufacturing. So Odisha is no longer just a mineral-rich state; it is transforming into a clean industrial production engine. So why global and Indian giants are choosing Odisha? Because Odisha is offering cheapest renewable energy among coastal states. There is abundant iron ore and bauxite. There is deep water ports for export. There is large contiguous land parcels, and there is pro-industry policy clarity. So this is a rare combo because it has raw materials, clean power, and logistics. So which sector will benefit the most? Now the biggest winners should come from steel and metals, green hydrogen, EV battery supply chain, aluminium and downstream products, port-based logistics and exports, industrial parks and EC players. So this is not one stock story. This is a state level capital cycle. So what are the biggest hidden risks? There is environmental clearance delays. There are often execution time overruns. Now there is global commodity demand slowdown. There might be political policy change, and there might be debt heavy project financing. So industrial booms create wealth, but delays destroy return. So what can smart investors track? They can track the renewable capacity addition. They can track the port cargo volume growth. They can track the industrial capex announcement. They can track the power tariff stability, and they can track the EV manufacturing approval. And they can ignore the social media Odisha multi-bagger list, and they can also ignore the isolated land allotment needs. So, who should invest and who should avoid? It is suitable for infrastructure investors, long-term wealth builder, and metals and renewables combination player. And people who can avoid it, who want quick trading rallies, who panic on infra delays, and who don't track execution quarterly. So, Odisha story is slow, heavy, powerful. Now, what is the final verdict? Odisha's rise as a green industrial hub is a multi-decade structural transformation, a manufacturing and renewable convergence zone. It is not a short-term headline rally. Now, the biggest money in market is made before the full narrative becomes mainstream. So if you want clean infrastructure and state level wealth cycle analysis, no hype stock pushing, no telegram pump, subscribe to Insider Monk. Here we are not chasing trends, we track where real industrial money is flowing. Thank you.